Hey guys, Sam here with the unboxing. Again, welcome to my channel. Like I said, I review, you know, I'm going to try to review everything I unbox, no matter how small or big. And like I said, it's going to be primarily Amazon just because it is, time of the season to be shopping on Amazon. But anyways, here's the product. Just the water filter for my fridge. I got a Whirlpool. I don't know the model, but I'll have to make oh, I'll show you guys, and I'll show you the installation as well. It's pretty easy. And I get this every 6 months just to keep my water clean and drink from the fridge, I guess. Plus, I used to drink bottled water, but I try to save money and you know just drink from the fridge or from your faucet. But I don't have a filtration system in my sink, so I don't want to drink that. So I'm gonna open this for you guys. It's nothing fancy. It's just you know show you up close here. Hopefully you can see that all right. Right? Yeah. I don't know. I'll show you the brand. Sorry about my camera. It's not the greatest at auto focusing. Anyways, refrigerator filtration or refrigerator filter for. I don't know what you guys got, but I'll put the description of the model of my fridge. You might just, you guys might have the same one. Anyways, yeah, I mean, this is for, this is certified for Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, JennAir, and KitchenAid. Yeah, I'll tell you the process on how you do it. Maybe I should create a video on that. So I'll show you soon. I'll show you in the same video. So this is it. You basically take this tin foil off here, and you screw the old one off and screw this one in. But of course, you have to actually run the water to clean the filter, or to clean whatever's inside of it before you actually drink from it. You're supposed to flush out. What is it? What is the instruction here? So where is the instructions? And I don't know if this matters to you guys, but the capacity is 200 gallons. That's 757 liters that you can get out of this. Man, am I not seeing the instructions on here? I know you're supposed to flush the water out before you actually drink from it. Oh, okay. It's a notice. It's not directions. Notice. Flush 4 gallons out. So flush 4 gallons. I use it equals out to about 15.14 liters. I basically just use a pot bottle and fill that up a few times and pour the water out and repeat the process. But yeah, I'll show you in a bit. All right. All right, guys. I'm just gonna do a little voiceover for you guys here. just because it was a little bit loud with the kids in the background. But anyways, I got the replacement filter light, which happens about every 6 months, and actually have a subscription fee that that Amazon sends me these filters every 6 months, which I'll have a link in the description. So the first thing I did here was, of course, open it up and lefty loosey. Just make sure you have a towel at the bottom, because there might be some water that leaks out a little bit when you twist it, which is what I did here, was grab a towel. And there's like a little hole where you open the filter, so the water will drain down into the hole. So lefty loosey, just give it a hard twist to the left. Comes right off. And there'll be a little bit of water in the filter. I just shake it out and throw it away after that. Alright, so here's a new filter. Take off the tin foil, of course. And I guess I just want to show you, oh, I thought I was going to show you the inside of the filter, but anyways, you just push it in and turn it to the right. You'll know when you tighten it, because you'll feel like it's like a little click. That's pretty much it. So next step is to flush the water out. I think you gotta flush out like a minimum, well, yeah, like 14 liters, I think. Or sorry, yeah, I think like 14 or 15 liters. So I use 2-liter pop bottle and fill that up 8 times pretty much. I changed my unit to, yeah, I'm pretty sure that says liter. I'm setting it to 2 liters, so then that way it will just automatically, fill the bottle without me having to press the back of the water to trigger it. So yep, so there's that little straw, whatever, the hose. I just put the pop bottle right over, hit dispense, and it'll come out until 2 liters. And then I just repeat this process, a few other times until I get a total of 16 liters. And you want to make sure you do it quick, because if you don't come back quick enough, you'll have to reset the unit again to 2 liters. So that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.